During the Parliament attack, Mr. Vajpayee was Prime Minister. Quite interestingly, on coming to know that the Parliament was under terrorist attack, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi gave a phone call inquiring about the health of Mr. Vajpayee. Remember, the BJP ruled government, but the inquiry was made by a congressperson. Kamaraj was a congressman, but he had a very close relationship with communist Jivanandam. Who entered the cricket team? Sehwag before or Dhoni before? Who entered first? It was Sehwag. Who entered before? Sehwag Dhoni or Yuvraj Singh? Yuvraj Singh. Who entered before the cricket team? Harbhajan Singh or Dhoni? Harbhajan Singh. But who went on to become India's captain? Dhoni went on to become India's captain. Why? His ability to relate with people. The Indians once asked Mahatma Gandhi, do we not send out these Britishers from India? Gandhi said, no doubt. There is no second thought to it. The Britishers must be sent back to their country. They must be sent out of this country, India. But they must be sent back in a dignified way. Do you understand? His ability to relate with even with his enemies. Gandhi clearly said, there is no question of, there is no second thought to it. They have to be sent back. They have to leave India, but they have to be sent back in a dignified way. Similarly, for 27 years he is spent in jail, Nelson Mandela. He was asked when he became the president, his black people asked Nelson Mandela as to how is he going to handle the whites. He looked at his people, the blacks, and said, the past may not be forgotten, but the past can always be forgiven. Do you understand his ability to relate with people? The past may not be forgotten, but the past can always be forgiven. That's what relationship is. That's what relationship is. A brand new car. A brand new car. The husband hands over to the wife. This is the birthday gift. Take it. The wife takes a car for a drive. On the way, the wife meets with an accident. A brand new car is damaged. Now the wife makes a call to the husband. I am sorry, this is what has happened. The first question the husband asked was, are you safe? Are you safe? Do you understand relationship? Now this is what. Dhanushkodi Adityan, a Congress MP, met with an accident. His daughter was driving a car. The car met with an accident. He lost his right hand in the accident. Dhanushkodi Adityan's wife died on the spot. The son got injured. The daughter got injured. He was admitted to the hospital. He was in coma for 3 months' time. As he was recovering, his son asked the doctors, doctors, can I tell my father now that my mother is no more? The doctor said, wait for 2 more weeks. Let your father recover. After 2 weeks, the son again asked the doctors, can I inform my father now that my mother is no more? Now the son, one fine day, told his father, Dhanushkodi Adityan, that daddy, mother died. He started crying. His pulses were down. Again he was taken to ICU. He was treated. After a day he was brought back. Again he was crying. Suddenly, Dhanushkodi Adityan got up and asked the son, did your mother die on the spot or she suffered and died? The son said, on the spot she died, and he stopped crying. Do you understand? The kind of relationship. That's why I said, what is life? Relationship. What is teaching? Relationship. What is marriage? Relationship. What is being a daughter? Relationship. What is being a son? Relationship. What is being a daughter-in-law? Relationship. What is a son-in-law? Relation. The whole life can be reduced to one thing called relationship. The most popular cricketer in India, Sachin Tendulkar, but he played under Dhoni for very many years. We never heard anything against them. They had a very perfect understanding. In terms of age, Dhoni was junior. Sachin is much more an experienced person, but still they never had a misunderstanding. It was the ability of Tendulkar to relate with even his juniors, to play under juniors. If you want to be happy, you will have to correct one thing called relationship. And that's what the expert says. Whether it's family or factory, what matters in life is relationship. Look at that quote. Count your age, not by years, but by friends. That's what exactly life is. When you say that I do not have any friends, it means you are not a friend to anyone. It means you are not a friend to anyone. So it is not right to say that I do not have any friends. You be a friend to someone, automatically you will have friends. What matters is not money, not material, not those things that we have at home. It is the people around you. It's because we do not have people around us, we go to resorts. But please remember, wherever you go, whether it is Shimla or Ooty Kodaikanal, you will have to come back to your house. You will have to meet the same people. You will have to come back to the office, meet the same people. So the best thing is to correct your relationship. Do you get it? Look here. When we talk about relationship, what is that people look for in us? What is that people look for in us? People look for confidence. People look for loyalty. People look for warmth and affection. People look for supportiveness. People look for frankness. People look for humor, sense of humor. People look for willingness to take time for them. Can you spend little time for them? There was a small boy and girl. The boy had plenty of sweets. The girl had plenty of fruits. The boy was tired of eating sweets. The girl was tired of eating only fruits. So they decided to exchange. The boy brought a lot of sweets, gave to the girl. The girl brought a lot of fruits and gave to the boy. Small boy and girl. At the end of the day, when they went to bed, the boy could not sleep well. But the girl slept peacefully. The girl had a nice sleep. Can you guess why? Can you guess why? A small boy and girl. The girl slept well because the girl gave the best of fruits that she had to the boy. But the boy did not give the best of sweets that he had. He gave an ordinary one. Now, this boy thinks that maybe that girl also may have given ordinary fruits only, as I have given ordinary sweets. But the girl thinks the other way around. I have given the best, therefore the boy also must have given the best. to understand relationship. If you remain genuine, you will be the happiest person in this world. It doesn't matter how others are. If you want to set others right, first we need to be genuine. There was husband and wife. There was husband and wife. The husband shouted once, I would have got married to a donkey instead of you. The wife cleverly answered, no, you shouldn't get married to close relatives. Do you understand? Relationship now. Now that's not exactly what we mean by. A relationship is mutual, keeping confidences, loyalty, etc., etc. Look at this one. Therefore, how do we develop our relationship? What are the essentials? What are the essentials? If you really want to work on your relationship, what are your essentials? Look at that. Self-awareness. That's what we say, self-discovery. That's what we say, know thyself. If at all you want to understand others, first of all you should know who you are. Otherwise, it is just not possible to understand who others are. We need to know who we are. Look at that. Your ability to remain emotionally balanced. When do we become agitated? When do we become agitated? Whenever we don't feel comfortable within ourselves, we will become agitated. When do we get agitated? When truth is told about us, or when something lie is told about us. When do we get angry? Generally, we have a belief that we will get angry when a lie is told about us. We don't get angry generally. Psychologists today say people get angry only when truth is told about them. Look at this one. Are you really a motivated person? If you are not a motivated person, it's very, very difficult to relate with others. A depressed person cannot have many friends. A demotivated person cannot have friends around him or around her. Question is, are you really a motivated person? Do you really acknowledge the interests of others? Knowing thyself means accepting myself as I am. Knowing others means accepting others as they are. Do I accept my friend as they are, or I want them to be like somebody, therefore I can like them? Look at this one. In a corporate world, in a competitive world like this, to develop a good relationship, you really need to communicate well. Take any leader for example. Take any leader for example. Communicates well. The world has always been ruled by good communicators. The world has always been ruled by good communicators. You need to communicate well. Do I do that? If you are not good at communication, it's very difficult to develop relationship. Look at this. Use your head to understand yourself. Use your heart to understand others.